Downloading a new app on your Google Pixel is supposed to be exciting, but the buzzkill notification demanding camera and mic permissions can quickly dampen the mood. While certain apps simply can't function without these required permissions, that doesn't mean you have to surrender full control. Thankfully, Android's continuous security updates empowers you to manage how and when these sensitive permissions are used. Feeling hesitant to grant perpetual access to a data-hungry app? No worries, you can choose to rescind permissions later through the handy Permissions Manager. But before we delve into that, let's first master accessing the Permissions Manager from the Privacy dashboard. Consider it your gateway to privacy mastery on your trusty Pixel phone. To embark on this journey of control, start by locating your device's settings. Within this digital realm, you'll find a gateway to your app list, where each application's permissions lie wanting to be modified. Whether you prefer a meticulous app-by-app approach or a sweeping adjustment affecting all permissions simultaneously, the process begins with the following steps. Before we get to that, if you find this video helpful in any way, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as it really motivates us to keep making such content. Navigate through the settings on your Google Pixel phone, the hub of customization and control. In the settings menu, tap on Security and Privacy. To inspect and modify app permissions, tap on Privacy. Within the Privacy section, tap on Permission Manager, the central command center for managing app permissions. Identify whether you wish to regulate camera or microphone permissions and tap accordingly, narrowing down your focus. Observe a list of apps and their respective permissions. To modify an app's access, tap on the desired application. Tailor the permission settings to your preference. For a swift retreat, tap the back arrow thrice to return to the Security and Privacy page. If a camera-centric app has overstayed its welcome, tap on Privacy Controls from the Security and Privacy page and disable camera access. Similarly, to silence a microphone-hungry app, simply toggle off microphone access. Stay vigilant for visual cues, as a green camera or microphone icon denotes an app in action. The green dot persists while the camera or microphone is operational. These steps empower you to sculpt your Pixel's permissions landscape, granting you the autonomy to decide when your camera or microphone are at the disposal of apps. Android OS, with its commitment to user privacy, ensures that your smartphone remains a fortress under your vigilant control. We have more such videos on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check them out as well and follow us for more. Thank you for watching.